Hello, everyone. Today we're making this viral dot cake thing, and honestly, I have absolutely no idea why it went viral. It might be one of the most unnecessary cakes I've ever seen. Like, what exactly was wrong with a perfectly innocent cupcake and some whipped cream? Why did we have to cover it in enough sprinkles to recreate the sound of gravel under a car tire and risk dental reconstruction? But hey, maybe some people like that. We don't judge here. We absolutely do. The good news is this cake doesn't need an oven, a mixer, or even a kitchen scale. If you own a spoon and possess at least 2 functioning brain cells, you're qualified. Seriously, even an IQ of 2 could pull this off. Make sure you sift the flour, cocoa powder, vanilla powder, and baking powder. It makes a huge difference in the final texture and saves you from discovering mysterious flour nuggets later. You can reduce the sugar by about 5 grams if you like things less sweet, or if you're currently pretending to care about your summer body. And with that, we're done with the dry ingredients. Anyone who's watched my previous videos knows I have a long and complicated history with cracking eggs. But don't worry, I'm practicing. Practice makes perfect. At least that's what people keep telling me. My little egg looked so tragic here that I actually felt bad for him. Once we add the oil and milk, our wet ingredients are complete. Now we combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. This part is my favorite. Look at that color. Absolutely gorgeous. The batter should become stretchy. And by stretchy, I mean if physics allowed it, it would continue stretching into the next century. Now place the cup you're going to use inside a large pot and add water until it reaches about halfway up the side of the cup. Put the lid on and let the water come to a boil. While that's happening, fill your cups halfway with batter. And please try not to fill them the way I did. You'll see the crime scene in the bloopers at the end. Only fill them halfway because the cake rises. And we'd really prefer not to create a biological disaster inside the pot. Look how cute and fluffy they turned out. To check if they're done, use a wooden skewer. My camera refused to focus here. I stood there for approximately 4 business days waiting for it. For the frosting, you can use whatever frosting makes you happy. But for me, classic whipped cream never disappoints. Smooth out the surface because we're about to enter the sprinkle era and things are going to get serious. And now, the fun part. Flip your cupcake upside down into a plate full of sprinkles. Behold, humanity's greatest achievement. Here are some close-up shots specifically designed to make you abandon all self-control and start making this recipe immediately. I won't lie, eating all those sprinkles was genuinely difficult, like you are chewing a brick, but the cake itself turned out amazing. Actually better than I expected. No oven. Made in a cup, still ridiculously soft and fluffy. I'm proud of myself. And here's a behind-the-scenes clip of the mess I created. You're welcome. Winky is secretly involved in every single one of my videos, and this time she managed to eat some of the whipped cream before I could stop her. Don't worry though, I ate that part myself. I wasn't about to serve evidence to anyone else. See you in the next video.